So we'll see the next example. The question is, what is the cost of gardening 1 meter broad boundary around a rectangular plot having a perimeter of 340 meters at the rate of rupees 10 per square meter? So this question was adapted from Canara Bank PO exam 2003. So in this question, perimeter is given as 340 meters. And what is the width of the gardening which has to be done? 1 meter. So in a hurry, what they'll do, so they'll multiply 340 into 1 and cost they'll multiply with 10 and give the answer as 3,400. So but the answer is wrong. So because we have these 4 corners left out, and we'll see what is the working. So here we have a rectangular field whose perimeter is given as 340. So there is a rectangular field, and around this gardening has to be made. And what is the width given? The width of gardening area is 1 meter. And what is the perimeter here? It is 340 meters. Now we need area of this portion. Gardening has to be done in this portion, and finding the area and multiplying it with cost per square meter, cost is found. And now what will be the answer? So perimeter is 340. Only on the perimeter the gardening is developed of 1 meter. Now answer is, so in a hurry we'll multiply 340 into 1 and we'll get area as 340. So area developed on the perimeter is 340 and multiplying it with 10, so it is 3,400. So we'll go for this option 3,400 in a hurry. And what is this cost 3,400? It is only on this portion, so which is developed on the perimeter. So this portion area only is got. And while getting the cost of 3,400, it is only for this regions. And we have these 4 corners left out. So we need to find cost for that also. So in a hurry, as it is developed on the perimeter, 1 meter, we'll take the area as 340 and multiplying it with the cost. So we'll go for option A, that is 3,400. So but be careful that this is not the answer. So because we have left out these 4 corners. So cost for gardening these 4 corners also has to be added. So this 3,400 is cost of the region which is developed on the perimeter of the rectangular field. Now what is the cost to garden these 4 corners? We'll find the area. What is area of this 1 corner? So it is a square of 1 meter side. So because garden width is 1, so we have a square here of side 1 meter. Now what will be area of this square? 1 into 1 it is 1 square meter. So like such, how many squares we have? 4 squares. Now what will be sum of areas of these 4 squares? So it is 4 square meter. So we have here this 4 square meters left out. If you go for this answer, 3,400. So cost of this 4 corners also has to be added. So we have here 4 square meter area, and what is cost per square meter? It is 10. So into 10 we get cost of this 4 corners also. So it is 4 into 10, 40. So area of cost of gardening the rectangular plot of 1 meter width is 3,400 plus 40 for this corners also. So answer is 3,400 plus 40. So it is 3,440 rupees. So answer is option C, 3,440. So while you are working, so seeing the question, so we'll go for this 340 meters as area. So So as it is developed on the perimeter, 340 meters is the perimeter given. As the width is 1, so we will calculate that area is 340 and then multiplying cost rupees 10 for square meter, we will get 3400. So but answer is 3400, which is for cost for this areas and also for the 4 squares. So which is 4 square meter for 4 squares into 10, 40. So total cost is 3400 plus 40, 3440 is the answer. So we'll see the next example.